In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. If you want your team, communication, and project tracking to work more smoothly together, this integration can be really helpful. By connecting Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, you can make it easier to keep everyone informed without constantly switching between platforms. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the setup process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want to create the integration. Once you're on the board, look for the Integrate option. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board with other tools and services. Go ahead and click on Integrate to open the integrations area. After the integrations panel opens, you'll see a search bar that helps you quickly find the app you want to connect. In that search bar, type in Teams. This will narrow down the available integrations and help you locate the correct one faster. If you have a lot of options showing, using the search field saves time and makes the process much easier. Once the search results appear, find Microsoft Teams in the list and click on it. This opens the Microsoft Teams integration options available for your board. At this stage, Monday.com usually shows you different ways the two platforms can work together, depending on what type of updates or notifications you want to send. Next, choose a template. Templates are pre-built automation setups that help you get started quickly. They define how Monday.com and Microsoft Teams will interact, so take a moment to select the one that best matches your workflow. For example, you may want updates sent to Teams when something changes on your board. Choosing the right template now can save you time later and reduce the need for manual setup. After selecting your template, click on Connect. This starts the connection process between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams. Depending on your account setup, you may be prompted to confirm permissions or sign into Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that in your browser. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. And that's it. Once connected, your integration will be ready to help automate communication between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and check that the correct template was selected. With everything set up properly, your team can stay aligned more easily and keep important updates flowing where everyone can see them.